we're on.
Hi, I'm Cindy Williams, author of Classroom to Client, and I'm here to talk to you today about great body mechanics. Of course, a very important component of excellent body mechanics is to move, to keep your body constantly in motion. Not only will it be better for your body, but your client will also really feel more fluidity and continuity from your work. So what I like to do is think of myself as dancing around the table. So I've taken some very simple and common dance steps and I've translated them into massage strokes. Okay, so what we first have is this basic step touch. This is the thing we learned as a kid. One of the first dance steps we ever learned, right? A little step touch back and forth. Well, what if we put this with our massage strokes? Just back and forth, step touch. Now, let's say I'm working on a leg, all right? And I need to move the whole length of the leg. Well, how do I get there? I do what's called this travel step touch. So I'm just shifting my weight, and then stepping in, shifting my weight, shifting my weight. Really easy side to side travel. No more work like this, where you're bending and twisting and not staying really forward in your work. Now, that's side to side motion. What if I'm doing back and forth strokes? Okay, so I'm going down a leg and back, up a leg and back, up a leg and back. Well, I still need to travel, right? So how am I going to do that? Well, there's this move in dance called the chasse, and it goes something like this. And suddenly I'm further up the leg. No more overreaching. Okay, and I can just come back in the same way that I went forward. It's just a transfer of weight from one foot to the other. Weight forward, weight back, weight forward. And there I am up the leg. Where again, too commonly I'll see people working like this, where their reach is too far forward of their center and they aren't really solid in their movement anymore. Lastly, you should be in motion even if you're doing really small motions, like say a short linear or cross fiber friction. So you're working a muscle, even in the smallest little movement. Well, too often, it will come from just the arm, the shoulder, the hand like this, which is really bad for your body, and your client is going to feel that you don't have that same fluidity. All right? So you just do what's called a rock step. Rock forward and rock back. And again, this motion could be really, really small. It's a very subtle movement in your body, but I'll tell you what, it makes all the difference. Again, not only will you be taking care of your own body, but your clients will absolutely feel that fluidity and continuity in your movements, which will make for a more exceptional massage session. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.